ABC News TV, bringing you the hottest, the latest, and the most updated news of the day for this day, Friday, 13th of February 2020. For the headlines, one of the most known farms established in the town of La Castellana garnered several awards when it comes to organic farming. For this year, its net income is higher than what they expected. So come on, let's discover the underlying beauty behind the beauty of that organic farm. Castellana, so I am here right now at the Seco Organic Farm. So come on and try to discover it. So I am here right now in the land where the crops have been grown. So you see the peanut and also the balato or the pulsitaw. Now, let's interview the owner of the farm, which is Ma'am Angelus Oreta and Sir Gio Oreta. So tell me about your farm.
Good morning to you. So our farm is known to be organic.
Our farm is organic and we supply the vegetable crops all over the town. So we've heard that your net profit for this year is still increasing. So how much was your profit this year, ma'am?
It's really for sir offers for further discount.
So at first, they borrowed a 50,000 pesos of amount in a bank. So the formula for the interest is equals to principal amount times rate times time. So first they borrowed 50,000 pesos times 12% of rate, or you have to convert it to 0.12 times 1, which is the time. So 50,000 times 0.12 times 1 is equals to 6,000. The 6,000 will be added to the principal amount, which is 50,000. 50,000 plus 6,000 is equals to 56,000, and this is the maturity value. Second, they show the summations on how to get an amount of all the expenses in a year per quarter. So for the first quarter, their expenses guarded an amount of 30,000 pesos. For the second quarter, all their expenses garnered 40,000 pesos. For the third quarter, the expenses of their farm is 70,000 pesos. And for the last quarter of the year, or the fourth quarter of the year, which range from October to December, garden amount of 50,000 pesos. Total of 190,000 pesos is the total expenses for a year. Next, they show the summation how to get their income for this year per quarter. So for the first quarter, their total income is 75,000 pesos. For the second quarter, their income is 80,000 pesos. For the third quarter, their income is 90,000 pesos. And for the last quarter of this year, their income garnered an amount of 70,000 pesos. So you add first to fourth quarter. So it yields 315,000 is their total income for this year. Next is the formula on getting the income minus the expenses. So 315,000 minus 190,000 is equals to 125,000. is the answer for which the income s- minus the expenses. Next is 125,000 minus the maturity value, which is 56,000 pesos. So 125,000 pesos minus 56,000 pesos is equals to 69,000 pesos is their profit for this year.
Always welcome.
You're always welcome.